Hi, my name is Rhys and this year I'm running for your Student Activities Officer. For the last 3 years I've been studying a History and Geography degree, but also heavily involved in your guild. From my first year as a non-portfolio officer to the sports officer for this year, each position gave me a different look at how we can improve this guild. Here are 4 pledges I put forward as a Student Activities Officer if elected. AU modernisation, so what do I mean by that? It's about time we caught up with the 21st century. I'm dedicating here an AU Activities Union website where your club and society will have its own page where you can publicise your events and fixtures or anything that you've got going on to the general public. And also with this, to take away all the paperwork you have to fill at the start of the year, placing it online and emailing it to myself if elected. And then also as a sports societies fair, I take away the handover of payment and place that online also. So you and your club and society on that day, just sit back, relax and sell yourself to the freshers who are coming in en masse and just relax about it with a laptop in front of you. So there we go, AU modernisation. Right guys, one of my key pledges to you, standing up for your student experience, getting you the facilities that your club or society need to do whatever you want, be it here on Panty or be it somewhere else within the university. I'm going to stand up and make sure you get the facilities that you want and tackle the suits for you. Smell the suit.
There's a cold war coming on the radio, I heard. Baby, it's a violent world.
So here it is, my third pledge to you, a bigger sports and society executive. Why? Because the 3 officers we have now already are your activities, your sports and your societies officer are not able to fully represent the 100 clubs and societies you have here in Aberystwyth. So what extra officers do I want? Well, I want 2 entertainment officers in each sports and societies executive to work to get the events that you want and get them out there in the union. I want 2 media officers, both again sports and societies, to represent and produce with student media the events and the activities you're carrying out. I want training and development officers in both sports and societies again to further train your committees and your clubs and societies to achieve the best they can. And to finally finish off, 2 fundraising officers to get you the techniques that you need to raise the money for your club and society. There you go, my third pledge to you. So here is my 4th pledge to you. Bring back Wednesday nights to the students and your student experience. Put reload to once a month and have clubs and societies dictate what events happen on Wednesday night to bring back the party atmosphere that we all had here over the years. So there is my 4th pledge to you. So there they are, my 4 pledges and promises to you to better your student experience. So make sure on the 7th and 8th of March of this year, they put your vote and get on the Guild website. Every vote counts. Thank you.